This is the KEDSUM 4-pack of wheeled furniture dollies. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction booklet. You get 4 of these. I'm just showing you one because I have limited space here. There's a total of 16 of these metal pieces here. I'm going to show you what that's for in a bit. 2 plastic risers if you need them, and also a handle with wheels for easy lifting. Let me tell you a little bit about this first, and then of course we're going to go ahead and test it out. This is 5.5 inches square, just like that. You have these heightening pads, like I said before, in case you need to raise something up like that, you can do that. And the metal pieces are baffles. Again, I'm going to show you how that goes in a moment. These will handle 1,500 pounds static weight and 1,100 pounds dynamic. Basically, that means if it's sitting on it, it can handle 1,500. If you're rolling it around, 1,100. So just call it 1,100 and that'll be fine. And the wheels are on double ball bearings and are 1.5 inch. As you see right here, they swivel all around like that. Let me show you about the baffles now. See, there's slots in it right there, and you can put these baffles in. They're going to go this way with the curvature toward us like that, and you can do 2 of them if you want, and that'll give you kind of a corner piece, so whatever you're moving around doesn't slide off. Or if you want, you can go for all 4 of them like that, and they just stick in just like that, and now a table leg or something like that could go in there. If you need to raise it, well, that fits in nicely right there, and everything's good. And of course this will roll around. The handle comes in 2 pieces. You'll notice there's a notch and cutout like that, and it shows you it's twist to lock. So you put this on the top like this, okay, as you see, so all in line just like that. Stick it right in, wiggle it around, and then you're going to turn it to lock it. Whoop, the other way, like that, and now you have a much longer handle with which you can use this. And using it is as simple as just putting the wheels on the ground, getting that underneath, and there you go, lifts it up so you can slide the dollies underneath, and you jack up each side as you need and go from there. And with the dollies underneath, it can be moved easily. So once again, this was the KEDSUM 4-pack of wheeled furniture dollies. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.